tell them our own. Wetin my president don't do for less than 3 years as a president. Now all that I no come me fight, I no come me insult. I come maybe talk as Ambazonians. Even una don't sell una conscience for money, but today na come na talk with the come talk, because as una see me so, I come in peace. Yes, I come in peace. But if my head come turn, peace fit turn am for war. Na me be that, my head no correct. Una know me say my head no correct. I am gentle when it's normal. When I want to be gentle, I'm very gentle. But when I want to turn at something else, una know say na me be that. So now me they come tell me the achievement for 30 years. That one too, the report. That one too na problem. That one too na wetin. Come and tell me your achievement for 30 years. That one too. Na wetin.
These days, many people are wondering, could this be the right time
No,
to invest?
Mama Vicky, that's all. Una invite, they know want me I talk, but they must tell me the achievement for 30 years. I talk so. Now I don't agree with them, say they did for struggle for 30 years. I know that I disagree. Even 35 years, I agree. So now, I want them now to come and tell me the achievement for that 30 years. Because I am ready to tell them the achievement of my president, His Excellency Dr. Sako Ikome, the president of the Republic of Ambazonia for less than 3 years. Very ready. Phone number they there. When I say una start call. But for now, when I get ready, may I share the goal. Una see that the show love now, it don't open. You see, it don't open. Una keep sharing love, I beg. You don't talk, say my page, they incitate violence. Facebook don't want me. Which violence they incitate. Telling my people, say, there must be justice. Ambazonia must be free. That one to my violence, my people. Telling the truth, na violence. Telling the truth, na violence, my people. Telling the truth, na violence. So as you want to show love, so now they will not say those people are liars. So please keep showing the love, na free. Facebook will ask you to pay. As you look, you will just show love. Other will show love. Other will comment. Na free for maintain this page. You see, don't open now. You don't open now. You see? Thank you, my people. We are together. Thank you for standing strong with the Female General platform to make sure say they no go lie say this platform they incitate violence, and they no go lie say this platform they do bad things, because people they like them well. People they love them. Una see love. May they come lie again for Facebook. Thank you, my people. We are together. We are going to start in the next 1 minute. Just keep showing some love. Invite and share. May I thank the Holy Spirit for my sister's song first. Because right now they use the Holy Spirit to speak. I don't speak on my own again. I don't speak on my own again. For He is good. May I send them for like their group, because I will pepper them. Oh Jehovah, Emmanuel. Miracle Father, Okay, we start with the national anthem. We start with the national anthem because now there we start. When we don't observe the national anthem, no, may I open the enablers, may I comment. May I open the enablers. Today, na free platform. After we finish, blog on the back, I don't get time. May I open comment. May enablers comment. Qui peut s'abonner, qui peut commenter. Public. I don't open section, everybody if you comment. So, even I don't comment, after I finish a blog, I don't get time. So let us observe our national anthem. Ambazonia national anthem. Of glory, we the Ambazonia pledge our loyalty. Praise the Son of Savior who granted us the freedom. Allegiance to the hero who bound the glory blood. Glory to glory, we rise and never to fall. Yeah, in the nation, for in the meek and holy glory. Glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation, a joy forevermore. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the star above. The Most High God be the watchman of His nation. Call Kaka for me. Tell him to warm water. But this time I want to put in the glass. The long glass, okay? There's a long red glass. But I really like that cup. So do it for me, please. Thank you, Princess. In the glass. Warm water, not too much. Because I will be shouting, I will be needing water. Thank you. Fellow Ambazonians, my people, chers ex-compatriotes, je suis la femme camerounaise, naturalisée ambazonienne depuis 2016. Celle-là qui a dit, quand l'injustice c'est une loi, la justice devient un devoir. Celle-là qui a dit, s'il n'y a pas l'Ambazonie, il n'y aura pas de Cameroun. Celle-là qui ne lutte pas pour le départ de Biya, mais qui lutte pour la restauration et sans condition de l'Ambazonie. Je tiens ici à rappeler à ces Camerounais qui ne connaissent même pas l'histoire de leur pays, qui n'a jamais eu d'indépendance en mai. L'indépendance du Cameroun a été le 1er janvier 1960. Alors la date du 20 mai, je ne sais pas où Bim Bondoyaïdj ont pris ça, mais je tiens à rappeler à tous les Camerounais que s'ils doivent célébrer leur indépendance, ça doit être normalement le 1er janvier 1960. Alors sur ce, je vais faire rapidement un briefing de ce qui s'est passé dans la semaine, avant d'aller rejoindre la partie de mon pays où je fais partie, parce qu'il est important que vous les Camerounais sachiez la vérité. Il est important que vous compreniez que l'Ambazonie est un tombeau ouvert pour les terroristes camerounais. Alors, cette semaine, nous avons eu les Buwarriors qui ont copieusement massacré des terroristes camerounais. Nous avons ici une vidéo, un audio où un militaire camerounais pleure que vraiment, j'ai parlé avec lui il y a 10 minutes. Il y a 1 heure de temps, il m'a dit qu'on l'a affecté à l'Ambazonie, au nord-ouest. Et après, on m'appelle seulement pour me demander son nom. Il y a des preuves palpables qui prouvent que les Ambazoniens, nous les Ambazoniens avons repris le contrôle total. Vous avez vu des vidéos où nos forces de restauration, en plein jour, dans le marché, bien armés avec les uniformes des armées terroristes. Je tiens ici à vous rappeler qu'ils n'ont pas acheté. Ils ont récupéré parce que vous avez passé le temps à prendre leur argent de Sonara pour vous remplir les fosses. Donc maintenant on a dit qu'on ne paye plus les armes. Non, on ne paye plus les armes, on récupère aux terroristes. Ça veut dire que quoi? On a une nouvelle stratégie qui consiste à récupérer tout ce qui appartient. Ça veut dire que si tu viens à l'Ambazonie, avec quelque chose à l'Ambazonie, ça ne t'appartient plus, on récupère. Et j'ai vu un commentaire dans la semaine où un gars du Nord-Ouest demandait, je suis du Nord-Ouest, est-ce que je peux venir à l'Ambazonie en visite? Je tiens ici à vous rappeler que notre combat, ce n'est pas avec les Nordistes. Notre combat, ce n'est pas avec les Bamileke. Notre combat, ce n'est pas avec le peuple camerounais. Notre combat, c'est avec les terroristes camerounais. Qu'au lieu de rester protéger le pays contre Boko Haram et enlever le dictateur Biya, ils sont déterminés à venir à l'Ambazonie par force, récupérer notre territoire. Alors notre combat ici, ce n'est pas combattre les Camerounais, ce n'est pas combattre les Bamileke, ce n'est pas combattre les Boulous, mais c'est de combattre ces terroristes, gouvernement terroriste camerounais qui envoie les terroristes billes sur le territoire ambazonien combattre nos civils. Donc je tiens ici à rappeler à tous les Camerounais qui disent que oui, pourquoi vous tuez les Camerounais? On n'a jamais tué un Camerounais à l'Ambazonie. On tue des terroristes qui entrent illégalement à l'Ambazonie pour tuer, violer nos femmes et nos mamans. Alors, le message est clair. Soit vous quittez l'Ambazonie par la paix, vous ne venez plus, soit vous allez partir dans le cercueil. L'heure n'est plus à la rigolade. Vous allez passer votre temps à manipuler les Ambazoniens avec vos terroristes de Milan. Avec Milan Atansisi Kouayutabe. Nous avons compris votre jeu. Maintenant, nous sommes focalisés. Nous sommes focalisés. On a détecté les pions. On a détecté les agents. On a détecté tous ceux que vous avez engagés à l'Ambazonie. On les a détectés. Alors aujourd'hui, nous sommes soudés et focalisés plus que jamais. Vous avez engagé Eric Tato, on l'a découvert, on l'a démasqué. Vous avez engagé Tapan Aivo, on l'a démasqué. Mac Barata, sa maman a été libérée parce qu'il devait travailler en contrepartie. On l'a démasqué. Vous avez amené Mila Atam avec Sisikou Ayutabe pour qu'il crée un gouvernement qui n'existe, un gouvernement fantôme. On les a démasqués. Alors aujourd'hui, nous sommes organisés plus que jamais. Nous sommes organisés plus que jamais. Donc si ton frère est dans l'armée terroriste BI et qu'on la voit à l'Ambazonie, pardon, demande-lui qu'il écrit son testament avant de venir. Parce que ce n'est plus comme avant. Ce n'est plus comme avant. Je tiens ici à vous dire. Moi, je vous dis que ce que j'ai vu. Ce que j'ai vu que les Ambazoniens Restoration Forces ont, ça va faire mal. L'armée camerounaise ne peut pas. L'armée camerounaise ne peut pas, même dans les rêves. Ce que j'ai vu, ce que mes yeux ci ont vu. L'armée camerounaise ne peut pas, même dans les rêves. Vous avez cru à un moment que les Ambazoniens sont les Camerounais qui passent des longueurs de journée à crier sur Facebook. Vous avez cru à un moment donné que l'Ambazonie et le Cameroun étaient pareils. Regardez-moi un pays tintin fantôme comme ça, hein, qui condamne quelqu'un à 24 mois à 23 mois de prison, il fait 24 mois avant de sortir. Regardez-moi un pays comme ça, qui croit qu'ils vont marginaliser un peuple comme l'Ambazonie. L'heure n'est plus à la rigolade. Dégagez de l'Ambazonie. Dégagez de l'Ambazonie. Parce que même on l'appelle comment? Le boxeur là, le Bamileke, la tête percée là. On l'appelle Ganou, hein. Même Ganou, même la propagande de Ganou ne marchera pas à l'Amazonie. Si vous croyez que je mens, demandez aujourd'hui. Vous avez amené Nambere. Pardon. Sorry. Vous avez amené Nambere, il a pris le téléphone. Passé toute la journée avec le téléphone, ça n'a pas marché. Vous utilisez les soi-disant Amazoniens pour combattre leurs propres frères. Mais laissez-moi vous dire qu'à l'heure actuelle là, beaucoup de personnes dans l'armée camerounaise ont des gaspilles. J'ai ici des preuves palpables. Des Camerounais qui sont venus se mettre à genoux que par nous tuer, par prendre nos armes et nos uniformes. Ils ont poum. Vous avez vu la vidéo récente où le général Nopiti a fait avec tous les l'armée bien habillés. Il n'a pas lavé la tenue là. C'est l'armée même camerounaise, eux-mêmes qui ont retiré que papa, il a fait des. Que non, mon père, tu es équipé. Par ne nous tue pas. Prends les uniformes, prends nos kalachnikovs, prends tout. Laisse-nous fuir. On meurt pour le vieux billet là, pourquoi? J'ai une preuve palpable où l'armée camerounaise terroriste supplie les braves forces de l'armée amazonienne que ouais, papa, pardon. No kill me. No kill me. Take everything. I will even tell you. I will give you information. Help my life. Help my life. D'autres sont même venus, ils ont dit que give me small money, mais un temps, Nigeria, ils sont venus donner l'argent que, alors sinon, voilà mon âme, voilà tout. Donne-moi seulement 500 000. Donc, à l'heure que je vous parle là, on n'a plus besoin de passer par les frontières pour amener les armes. Sur place, vos terroristes, sont en train de fuir. Vos terroristes sont en train de fuir tous les jours. Ils disent que, ouais. On ne savait pas que c'est comme ça qu'ils allaient faire. On ne sait pas que c'est comme ça que les Amazoniens allaient faire. Maman, les gars se sont équipés. On a une nouvelle stratégie. L'autre jour, quand on m'a dit que oui, voilà la vidéo où on a retiré un de vos trucs que vous avez mis sur le sol. J'ai regardé, j'ai vu le gaz de l'école en cuisine. J'ai dit que maman. Donc c'est comme ça que vous êtes tellement devenus bêtes. Donc ils partent, ils prennent le gaz dans leur maison, ils mettent dans leur voiture, ils roulent, ils arrivent à un endroit, ils creusent le sol, ils font la vidéo que c'est les Amazoniens. Nous on n'utilise pas le gaz. On n'utilise pas le gaz. Non. C'est la folie. Il faut que ces terroristes-là vous disent la vérité. Ils ont amené le gaz de leur village, de leur maison. Ou si vous regardez bien leur voiture, vous allez voir qu'il y a une plaque. Parce que c'est les grands voleurs. Arrivé à un moment dans la brousse, ils vont s'arrêter. Entrer en brousse, voler le plancton. Voler le porc, casser la main des gens. Voler peut-être le porc des gens pour préparer. Donc eux, ils marchent, ils ont fini de faire la vidéo. Ils vont prendre le gaz, la remettre dans leur voiture. Vous allez regarder la voiture, vous allez voir la cuisinière. C'est des grands voleurs, ils ont les affamés, ils ont faim. Ou ils voient le chien de quelqu'un, ils vont voler. Donc ils ne viennent pas faire la propagande que non, ils ont déterré ça quand et où. Ils ont déterré ça quand et où. Nous, on fait un piège, on fait le piège sur le goudron. On fait un piège sur le goudron. Vous ne connaissez pas mentir. Depuis qu'on fait nos pièges là, boum, on vous fait la bienvenue à l'Amazonie. Est-ce que nous on fait sur le goudron? Parce qu'on sait que sur le goudron c'est visible. On ne peut pas creuser un endroit au goudron, vous allez voir. C'est trop visible. Donc on vous calcule que là où c'est. Je donne même les secrets pourquoi. Vous êtes allé là, vous allez avoir bien souffert pour creuser le goudron. Vous visez le creuser le goudron, vous prenez votre gaz dans la voiture, vous venez placer, vous faites les vidéos, on a failli mourir. Vous avez failli, hein? Et vous partez où? Je tiens ici à rappeler à tous les Camerounais. Pour ceux-là qui disent que j'ai vu des commentaires comme mais on vous avait dit que c'est stable là-bas à l'Amazonie, mais tout ça vient d'où? Oui. Ils vous ont toujours dit depuis 2016 qu'ils ont neutralisé tous les terroristes. Ils ont dit depuis 2016 que nous sommes deux morceaux de sucre. Mais deux morceaux de sucre qui refusent de dissoudre depuis 2016. Ils ont toujours dit que la situation est sous contrôle. Mais ils ne vous montreront pas ça. Ce que je vous montre maintenant. Attendez, je vous montre. Ils ne vous montreront pas ça. Ils ne vous montreront pas ça. Fresh Incredible. Ils ne vous montrent, regardez. Regardez. Regardez à quoi vous réduisez un prêtre. Regardez à quoi vous réduisez un prêtre. Un prêtre, pour l'offrir la voiture, vous devrez, vous l'amener à être politicien, vous l'amener à mentir, vous l'amener à... Au lieu de s'aligner avec les chrétiens, il s'aligne avec Lucifer pour une voiture. Regardez à quel point les prêtres au Cameroun ont faim. Et pourtant, l'or et l'argent appartiennent à Dieu. L'or et l'argent appartiennent à Dieu. Regardez à quoi vous réduisez les prêtres. Vous avez fini de tuer Cardinal Toumi. Vous avez fini de tuer Cardinal Toumi. Fini de tuer Cardinal Toumi. Humilier son corps. Maintenant, c'est Keda. Maintenant, c'est Keda. Maintenant, c'est Keda. Et Rome est calme. Et Rome est calme quand on humilie les prêtres au Cameroun. Quand je vois des gens dire que non, attaquons-nous à l'église. Non, on ne touche pas à l'église. On ne touchera jamais à l'église parce que nous, on n'est rien sans Dieu. Nous, on n'est rien sans Dieu. L'église, c'est l'église du Seigneur. L'église, c'est l'église du Père. De l'alpha et l'oméga. On ne touchera pas l'église. Nous les ambazoniens, nous croyons en Dieu, nous craignons Dieu. On ne touchera pas à l'église. Tous les chrétiens iront à l'église. J'ai dit, chacun va répondre devant Dieu. Si Keda a accepté la politique et le service en Dieu, il va rendre compte à Dieu. Mais en attendant qu'il rende compte à Dieu, son péché, il va aller seul. Il va aller seul répondre. On ne va pas mener, on ne va pas mener nos enfants à ça. Parce que c'est une malédiction. Donc, tous ceux qui sont sur ce territoire ambazonien, allez à l'église et priez. Parce qu'on n'est rien sans Dieu. C'est une stratégie que Biam Fondo, terroristes et Atanganji Paul veulent utiliser pour qu'on s'attaque à l'église. Mais on ne s'attaquera pas à l'église. Parce que l'église, ce n'est pas l'église de Keda. L'église, ce n'est pas l'église de ceux-là qui ont accepté de servir Lucifer que de servir Dieu. C'est pas parce que un prêtre est venu à l'église, il fornique que on va mettre notre Dieu, on va comparer ce ting-ting et Dieu. Dieu est omniprésent. Dieu est alpha et oméga. On ne touche pas à l'église de Dieu. Keda, il est représentant, soi-disant est représentant de l'église. Il représente Dieu. Mais Dieu a dit que le salut est personnel. Donc à l'heure s'il a non, il va écoper. Cardinal Toumi où il est là non, il est en train de répondre son jour de jugement une place. Cardinal Toumi est en train de répondre une place. Ou c'est à l'enfer qu'il est, ou c'est au paradis, je ne suis rien pour juger. Mais ce qui nous intéresse, c'est notre relation avec Dieu. Donc vous, les terroristes camerounais, votre plan a échoué. On ne s'attaque pas à l'église. On ne s'attaquera pas à l'église. We shall go to church and pray. Because it's God, Alpha and Omega. It's not because that stupid man accepts to go and dine with Lucifer that we say we will not go. No. We will keep praying because we are not body without God. Salvation is personal. If he accepts the destiny, say he won't go to hellfire. We not go put all we family inside. So for so, this Sika, how they call it? This church matter no be even a topic. We respect the house of God. We are Christian. We respect God. That's why our people, we pray because we are nothing without God. We nothing do anything without God. We not leave that man, sir. We not leave car wey they give am. He no go die with that car wey they give am. He don't sell the conscience for car. So when he die, he go jeje leave that car behind him. He go answer for God. The same God when we dey cry for him, he dey hear we cry. That's why we are able to stand those terrorists for the past 6 years. It's by God's power. So nobody go touch the church. Nobody go touch anything wey concern my God, our God, the God of Ambazonia, the Alpha and Omega, Jesus. Nobody touch the church. If you don't touch church, you don't personally touch me, because I no go gree. I no go gree. Because we no fit do it on our own. We no get no strength. If God is not there, we are not going nowhere. So we now leave that good man. May go sell the conscience. I hope so when he die, Cardinal Tumi be die, so he go with Betty. Nothing. Next topic. We are going to enter the topic now. Una call me all the Ambazonia for diaspora. Say me, the female general, they call them. You now go carry somebody curse. Say we should fight him back. Let him. He go answer. He go carry that car. When he die, they go bury him inside. He go answer. When he dey in front of God, no car, nothing. He go answer. They will ask him, say, when they kill Ambazonia, your people, you go collect car instead of protecting them. Instead of standing for justice, you go. No. That will not be far something, no. Not be far something. They go son use them. They go son sacrifice him. That's what they do. They don't get friends. So now no be even topic where we go even talk on that. So let's go to business. Una call me Ambazonia for diaspora. Say they call them. Me, the female general. Fellow Ambazonians, I don't come so because I dey vex. I dey vex over vex because say we for diaspora, we dey leave reason for la Republic to laugh at us. We not be sharp say we want action, we want action, we want action. Now we not dey see action. Wait till we not dey do. Question. Every day, we need action, we need action, we don't die, we need action. Okay, right now so, me I dey come for una front also say, my papa them, my mama them, action day. We don't ask for action, we don't give una action. Now, we also need una do something. Yes, una don't shout because una wish na we command. When una talk say una need something, we get to make sure say it happen. Una don't talk say we want action, nothing that happen. Nah, so as it happen. If you are an Ambazonia, where you follow the female general, where you never locate your NGA, mention your name here, mention on top your head. Mention your name here, mention on top your head. 2021 World Draft don't launch. I get something where I will read them. I want all Ambazonians may they locate their county LGA. Because you know the country don't say we want action. Now so we don't see say we mean business. We don't see say the interim government led by Etienne Dr. Sako mean business. La Republic don't cry when they see. Oh, now want me to show you some video because I get plenty. Things they happen now. So now, may we talk now. So as things they happen, we know what may come cool down again. So now so we get to fire money. Fire money may we put more action. Fire money may we put more action so that people go depart and run. Which I talk. They go run for their dear life. So when we fire and relax again, they will go and strategize and come back. We don't give them chance to go strategize. We will deal with them. They will send more. We deal with them. They will send more until they don't get again because they don't get much army as you see them so. A lot of people don't get more army. They fight Boko Haram. Where they never even reach. They did for Centrafrique. they dey for chat, so they dey everywhere now. So if we dey fire with them well for Ambazonia, una go see say in no time they don depart. Wetin I talk? In no time they don depart. So point number 1, connect with your LGA and provide intellectual support. You don't need only your money, you can bring idea for your LGA, you can bring some tactical information wey go help we. So as you dey join your LGA, no be only for money, no to say no, me I no get money, I no fit join my LGA. So as you dey join your LGA, you dey bring idea, so you go come, so you go talk say no, I think say we fit do like this, and that thing go help all for one for all. So you no go sit down say no, I no get any money, that would that thing, make I fit talk sef. No, you fit talk something, sis. You fit talk something, brother. You fit talk something, daddy. You fit talk something, my papa dem, my mama dem. You fit talk something. You get something to say, because this war na we all na we thing. You fit talk something. So locate your LGA, even for at least idea. Number 2, if you get possibility, draft say I no fit go for ground zero fight, but this little wey I dey give na to support those fighters wey dey dey for ground zero, wey dey no dey sleep. They are spending sleepless nights, giving their life for us to be free, protecting our mothers, putting La République dans la sauce. I am giving this common, at least $1,000 for the whole year. At least that means say it's less than $100 a month. My brothers, my sister, na sacrifice. We too will sacrifice. We no fit go back home again. When fighter call you in the night, you no fit sleep. You get to tell you, say, okay, I will do something. You call your contact, 1 or 2 people, gather some money, send to them. We no dey sleep, we dey sacrifice. We no get a normal life again. We all get to put our hand together. Not be one person, now we all feel the heat. Not to say it never reach you. If nothing is done, if it reach you, we don't pray say may happen like that, but we get to stop La République before they keep on bringing that their noise for us. So draft yourself. We are talking of giving less than $100 a month. So if you tell people say I will draft 1,000 every month, I will give maybe $80 until you come reach 1 year. You go, since they don't already draft. If you talk say okay, I want to draft, I don't have 1,000 to give once, but every month I will give $100. Before 10 months, you don't give your money for draft. And when you do like that, you will be happy. Say, oh, at least I have done something for my people. At least I didn't put my face out there, but at least I was able to give $1,000 for my fighters for Ground Zero. Number 3, register and pay your citizen level. As an Ambazonia, you get to register. You will register and you pay your citizen level for emergency support. Like right now, if fighter call say we don't see some La République terrorists where they want sell their material, they want run. Because normally when they want sell their, and it's give una this strategy because it is important say me una know say in every war you get to get emergency. So if a fighter call you say, oh, we wound ourselves, we need money to treat ourselves, where we go take the money? It's in citizen level that they take the money. So when you not pay, when you not register and pay your citizen level, how you want take do that one? You go set the knock door, you come online, the waste fund where we get to get at least money where we keep for that emergency. So if you never register, just go to www.ambazonia.org and register. www.ambazonia.org and register. Citizen living how much? If you say don't get big money for draft, at least citizen living. You fit do that one. Make yourself useful. Show say you want do am, but you don't get capability. You don't get that, but you get hard to do am. So if you go on www.ambazoniagov.org, www.ambazoniagov.org, you know go join so. Una type www.ambazoniagov.org. You go there, you register yourself, and you pay your citizen level. So that when the fighter needs something emergency, or when we see some deal for popcorn and granite, you know, will come the stress, we go just take for emergency and solve the problem. Join ABC Amber TV Club. Or join, at least you need to be useful, like you can be behind but doing a lot of things. Just be useful. People say we don't know how to do it. Okay, I come to tell you now how to do it. You fit join ABC Amber Club at www.abcambertv.org. You fit join ABC Amber Club at www.abcambertv.org. You get to choose somewhere to belong. You have to. Not be say you don't join your ATM. The first thing you should do as an Ambazonia, you enter house, you go for the link. You are a citizen living. How much? When you don't finish, say, and at least I need somewhere where I will be with my brothers. Join ABC Club, because now national TV. You join the club. You bring idea. You contribute. You tell what they need to change. You not just sit down say yes, come and comment, come and no. As I be so now, I was shit on top all una head. I don't vex. Join ABC Club. As you don't join. Number 5, some people say no, I don't want to contribute for war. Yes, my dear, you still have an option. You don't want to contribute for war. It's your right. Can you at least contribute for refugee? Can you at least contribute for humanitarian? If yes, provide humanitarian support. Refugee, wounded, sick, displaced. You can do that one, right? If you say no one give money for war, you fit give money for at least refugee, no, for them to eat. So if you fit do something, we have number 6 point. Be an unmasked agent and a citizen diplomat. You fit walk behind. They don't see your face. They don't hear your name, but they will give you some things to do for the revolution. You will go office to office, tell our story. Sorry, you don't enter summer, so I was having cough. It's okay now. So you feel at least be an unmasked diplomat. No be those kind of diplomat where they don't get head though. That kind of diplomat where they don't know you. You know, show face. You don't need to do video. They will send you with some paper. You go and see them, talk about it. You get to be somebody that know the story. They go cheat you the story. You can be an unmasked diplomat where they don't go ever mention your name. They don't go ever do your video. You don't go ever show your face. You can even go to the office. They don't go no. Say now you unmasked diplomat. Talk to your friends, to your family, to your colleague, and all the junkie house where you go. You go somewhere that they drink mimbo. You sit down and say, you start cry. They say maybe they cry nonsense. Because when you go where they rejoice, you shed tears. Why you say why they cry? You go say, we people they die, yo. We people they die. They don't kill some person for Bengui today again. Show them the video. Wow, Master, why? I beg, even $1 when I give, maybe push back home, maybe even send to those people. Be an unmasked diplomat. Tell the story to your colleague. Tell the story to your people. Tell the story everywhere. they die back home. Remind them. I get one of my mama for UK. I don't want to mention her name. Her work na say all her colleague where she dey work every month, they will give her £20 to help refugee. Because what did they do am for her? Because she don't go cry to them, say show them video. You know, say white people when they see those things, then they cry. Say, well, people are dying. I'm not fine. I'm traumatized. Every month they will give and say, ask for anything you get, send to those people where you send us your videos. You can do it. No, you must use your money. You can talk to white around you. You can talk to people around you. Show them the suffering of our people. That's what. That's the spirit. We need to put our hands together to make sure, say, we provide for our people back home. We get to put our hands together to make sure, say, our fighter lack nothing. We get to put our hands together to make sure, say, our refugees are not sleeping on the floor. We get to put our hands together to make sure we motivate one another. We have to support Ambazonia. We have to support our flag. Be an active citizen and join your NGA. Know where you come from and where you are heading to. Be a citizen, a diplomat, Amba warriors, and a freedom fighter for your people. It's not because we are in the diaspora that we cannot do. Yes, we can. We can be a warrior in Ambazonia. With a serious, I be go for La Republique Embassy alone to do. I be scatter everything there. And I went there many times. Just that day, because a lot of people was there and they was planning to bring me. That's why I do video. I went there many times. They even called the police on me. I didn't care. I didn't think of my children. What I was after was justice. I was just scared of seeing our people be killed. They, you can do it. We can do it. We get it to make our voice hear in the diaspora by action. Be a diplomat. Ambazonia has all that it needs to function as a country. The intellectual capital and natural resources are there. We must do everything to get our country back. I said everything to get our country back. Fellow Ambazonians, that was for the diaspora. Now, let us go back to the topic. The phone number there on the screen. I will talk about anybody now fit call. I don't open the line. You fit call and tell us the achievement of your leader after 30 years in power. And also, if you belong to the interim government, you fit call and tell the achievement of the interim government for the past only 3 years. Our Excellency Dr. Sako is coming. The line is open. +2 6 33 58 54. Nah, so sorry, I know the number safe. I bet somebody should link the number. Let me, I don't even know the number again. +2 12 633 58 50 54. You can call and say something, and we get to understand. Say we have a big firewood project where all una follow this platform. Una get to support it because that big firewood project no be for we. Now for assist the LGA. Not before we. We are not be saying me, I know the interest of anything money for this revolution. But if I will come and make noise when we fight that, no get good materials, is useless. So I must make noise and make sure say we fight and get good materials. So anybody wey want call, may call and say something. I don't open the call. You can call for no call for ground zero. I no want call for ground zero. Today na me and Diaspora. Una call and say something because I don't put the number. Everybody should call. We are waiting for call. May I show you now some achievement. Yes, thank you, Larry West Lion. I salute to Jessica Ako. Sister, I wait for your. I wait una. I will call una name. Let me show una some achievement. Where the interim government led by SSC Dr. Sako don't achieve in less than 3 years. Some people say maybe not show this, but we get to show because some people say if they don't see, they don't believe. They see Akoloninga. They don't go now for their village now. When I see this one, wait. When I see. Nasi, wait. Ibrahim Mustafa, I salute you. See some people they call themselves military. All they know are to thief. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. This is classified. This is classified. Nasi eke. Una see materials, no be noise again. May I show una some achievement. I just want to show una some achievement, and una will show me una own achievement because I don't even know where una base. I don't even know where una fight. They fight. You don't talk about propaganda. We are talking about real action. Una see la République they cry. Una see every day. Una see. I think my brother sent to me. Let me look for my inbox. Okay, it's here. One thing about Ambassador I don't understand, I say, when I come and insult Dr. Sako, now when they do things, when I don't come apologize and acknowledge, say they do good job. So when I just go to insult, when I want you come and acknowledge, can you not come and apologize and say, Papa, we were wrong? Huh? When I talk say he's compromised, he wants na Betty. How can somebody be compromised and be bleeding La République like this? How can somebody be compromised and be bleeding La République the way they bleed La République so? Huh? When I want to see some video, may I show you now? How can somebody be compromised and be bleeding La République like this? Like this. How can somebody be compromised and buy this and provide this kind of material for our restoration forces? We get to understand. Say the reason why they be fight Dr. Sako now because they be no say he cannot be compromised. May I tell you one story. They be contact our Excellency Dr. Sako. May I tell you the story. They pass through Milan. Is it even good to talk the story? I will tell you the story one day. The reason why they be vexed, say Dr. Sako must come out. Now because say he refused the money they give you. He refused. He said no. I no go collect them. So you people were there shouting Ambazonia when we don't collect money for la Republic. Deceiving Ambazonians. We are not saying me as I don't come so. Ambazonia must be free. I will free my people. They say, okay, in a so they go see whether you go remain for that power. Now we put you there, now we go remove you. Now so they implementer, AGC, they do alliance, they don't do they first come, they start with me, they come tell me say, do you know say Dr. Sako, because people are saying that I was first with the AGF, and no, they should tell the truth. I was with the IG before. I left the IG to join Gambia Group AGF. When I joined Gambia Group AGF, I come to say, hey, at least the interim government just mismanaged some Matip Tuboya. They know the work with La Republique. It's better for me to go where they mismanage because they learn from mistake than to stay with people where they work with La Republique. Now so I carry my 2 legs. I carry my shapers. Now so I carry. I hold like this. Now so I run. I say it better for me to dey where they mismanage because they contact me. Female General, you know say you dey support the interim government, but we go show you wetin Dr. Sako do. Now so they come my inbox, show me big lies. Who did that? Tabenyam Brado and Kalesh Bongo. They say me I no mention their name. They say me I no mention their name. Now so they carry their stomach come show me some classified paper where I see my eye open like this big. Now so I come vex. I be think say those Gambia Group be fight for Ambazonia. I say, may I go give them my support. May I go give them my support. May we go Ambazonia. That's why I leave IG. I come enter Gambia Group. Oh, you must take a oath. I say, I don't take oath. I'm a Christian. You don't want to take the oath? They don't feel put you in a place where this, but we go put you where you go to get information. And I say, no problem. Now so. When they convert me, they come put me for that their Jangi Group. When I come discover, say they work with La Republique, I say, hey, which one better? Una say, una tell me. Is it not better for person where he take money? They deceive him, say, oh, we get material. They come give money for the material. The same people when they say they get material, bring the police to catch those fighters. That was how Matip Boya was mismanaged. They sabotage it. It's not better to go with somebody where he collect money, they sabotage it, he do mistake, he learn from a mistake than to work with somebody where he work with La Republique. I don't want La Republique finish. I want rest. And they comment on La Republique colleague. My brothers, my sister, my papa, my mama, them. If na una go stay or una go do how? Na so. I carry my leg. Ping, 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 ping. I carry my leg. Na so I run. Na night. I don't run for daytime. It was very late in the night. I said I no fit sleep here again. I no fit sleep here again. Make una come. Na so I reach for IG house, my papa house. The door was locked. I say no be lie. Na my daddy house. Na so I knock door. I say una open me, don't bat. Na so they open the door. I come tell them say, oh, please, na me, una daughter. They say no, we dey vex for you. I say yes, everything. Una want beat me, una open the house. Do anything una want for me than to stay for that La Republique Gambia Group. I beg. Are they ready? Any punishment? Are they ready to enjoy any punishment? Na so I carry my stomach go for IG. IG. I don't make any noise, so I say me they no ever tell anybody for now. I'm still working on something because in their colleague group, there are some like people where they be trust me because they believe say I dey with AGF and AGF is La République. Now so they be now they send me information. They be tell me say non c'est bien. Comme Sako ne veut pas quitter, il faut donc que vous faites la coalition avec Eric Tato parce que Eric Tato travaille avec nous. Now so they come tell me the story of EPOM to convince their colleague because their colleague be vexed EPOM don't over insult them so they no want to collaborate with EPOM. So they be tell me everything for me to convince my boss because that gambling group na boss they there no be president na boss because na a personal company. Now so they come tell me all the story of EPOM and she don't quiet. Now so I open my eye like this. Are they confused? Now so confusion they worry me. They say I be confusionist. That day confusion really enter my brain. And the reason I say Jesus. So this EPOM, all this war, have been working for La République. Wow. I was like, people can pretend, eh? Wow. Now so, if it's happening, I forgot something. I forget something. May I tell you now one secret. May I tell you now, when I say million and start talking, I know the rest. May I tell you now one secret. It first happened, say, when they kill Florence Ayafo, when the thing come happen, where we come, no say na, where they come in the group talk say that AGF, where they talk say people are not happy, we should not say upside in AGF. Now I come tell them say no, it no dey good. We get to talk the wrongdoing of AGF. Now AGF keep for us we get to say that AGF and call them to order. Now so they send one AGF man who may come toast me. May come toast me to deceive me, may I not come talk outside. He come to me say, I love you, I want marry you. But you know say that thing of Florence Ayafo, we don't get to talk outside. May remember between us, if you love me, I say, hey, Papa, you don't bring love matter to close this my beautiful mouth. When I don't bring love matter to close this beautiful mouth. I say, now wow. So you love me. So because you love me, may I not tell people say na Florence Ayafo na AGF keep Florence Ayafo. I tell them say, it go hard to, because this thing they really pain me. I know they against una kill her, but killing her, naked her like una do, seriously. Woman, I'm a woman. I'm a woman and we get to respect mother. Mother is something that you respect. Somebody mother, see somebody mother when they open, no. Seriously, I'm very hot. Now so, it tell me say, no, if you love me, you get to do like this, send me your name, I will send you something. I say, ha. Babe, he say, I call him say babe, oh, because that in that AGF Glamby group, now husband, so everybody get the husband. So now so, you know, Tapa be date, what is her name again, Seth? That one waited for UK. I forgot their name because I don't forget them from my dictionary. Erika Zara. So Tapa was with Erika Zara. So now so that they like do, you know, that they will give you a husband so that you go to pump you, say don't do like this. Don't, if you want to push like this, you tell you say no babe, if you love me. So that's so when you enter a debt, they will give you husband or they will give you wife. Now so if you tell me say you go AGF marital group working for La République. So now so they tell me say you go send me money, oh. May I promise him He say, baby, you love me? I say, Papa, talk what you want talk. Because this kind of love where I just meet you. Where I just meet you, never even reach 1 month where they tell me say love. Now so they love. He say, I know say you get plenty person where the people where they toast you, but I want you to stay with me one. I say, okay, I hear you. Say, so if you really love me, you get to keep this secret. I know say you should talk. Keep the secret. I tell him, say no problem. That time, one person did not contact me for Norway, one of my daddy. If he tell me say they were doing some fundraising for IG. Because I been already vexed for ADF. I wanted to even leave ADF, but I was staying there to get some more information. If he tell me say they are doing some fundraising and all, I tell him say please I want to contribute, but I want to contribute anonymous. So no one made a note on me. He tell me say no problem. He give me the everything. So I come to the man say I love him. He come send me the money in Morocco. And so I carry the money. I go put them for IG when they do contribution for, was it for WhatsApp? They was doing one contribution like that. I come put them there. He come tell me say, babe, you promise me you no go talk. I said no, I no go talk. I no go talk. So one day night in the group, waiting scatter. I be carry my stomach. Oh, I go Hong Kong. When I know say me I the traveler. So that's why they talk say wait oh. As the tell say they call me say I do wait where they never see me with man picking. They never see me with man picking. Now only one of my daddy wey want help me oh. If you want help me, may I come US. Where he be talk say we need pictures. Where they go when the immigration see the picture, you go know say we dey in couple. Where I be do the picture, we be send the picture to one of my friend. May you see whether the picture, when they see the picture, they will know whether we dey for couple. So we do the first picture with dress. They talk say no. When they see, they will say it's arrangement. So maybe we will remove dress and do picture. So when I got that picture now, I send to that my friend say, oh, if they see what they will believe. She say at least. So now if that man pikin oh, that old papa where if he even born me, where he get the first last born self pass me for age. Where you want help me, may I go US. And so they carry the picture say, if you leave ADF, we are going to publish your nude. I laugh. I say, who? Publish my nude. They say yes. I say, okay. Now so I say I know the talk. I come go Hong Kong. When I reach Hong Kong, now so boom. Tapa Ivo convince Nambere. Me Nambere join Congo Success. I have to tell all ambassadors, say Congo Success and me were really talking on daily basis. Because that time I be thinking say na real Ambazonia. So we were talking on daily basis until we get to a time where he tell me say, you know that you know if you ever get Ambazonia, you get to leave it. He started discouraging me. So I thought say, hey, Papa, now so I called because I was close with him because say he be married na my sister. So that's why he become me my in-law. But he start discouraging me. I say, hey, this man where I think say he be strong Ambazonia. Wait till they discourage, wait till they advise me so. Now so I'll block him. I don't mind him again. If he go on my second Facebook, my in-law did this. Even when I get problem for Turkey, he contact me. Where I don't already come up with problem, say na half-minute problem. Where I be go slap one man for Turkey immigration there. So now so I reach Hong Kong. I come to say Tapang don't convince that Nambere to go meet Congo Success. I come tell Mr. Capo, say Capo. So that thing when I see say Tapang go convince, which when I get to talk to him and Lukash, they do meeting oh. They say no, Tapang you didn't do right. They pretend no. They take me as a fool. They shout, Tapang shout. They pretend they say he don't apologize. I say no. This one when I say he don't apologize, where they see Nambere for Yaoundé, so you know they enter my head. Now so they come call that my boyfriend may call me. He said, babe, why they do like that no? You know so Tapang know the hear word. Tapang to the talk, maybe he talk out of he just talk like that. Now just a coincidence. I said, you know the coincidence, babe. He said na coincidence. He said, no worry, I will send you money. They Hong Kong, I will send you some money. No worry. I said, don't send me any money, oh. This one, so if he send me this money, I will chop him. I will sit up because I don't vex. Now so I left Capo. I said, Capo, thank you for everything, and I left because I was very angry. I come back me for Morocco. When I come back from Morocco, now I go to their group. I tell them, say, with all the evidence, I am very convinced, 100% say ADF na La République. And me, I didn't run La République to come join La République. So from now henceforth, I want to travel small, so I will not be available again. Now I tell them, I will not be available again because I will be traveling. I will be where there will be no network. So I wish we are the best. But what you gonna do, we not go pay because Ambazonians believe we not say we not fight for freedom. But we not go pay one day. Now so I left. When I left now, it was night. I run. I go knock my papa door. I say, Papa, oh, na me, female. I say, you this girl, when you don't insult your papa, I don't curse you. I say, Papa, I don't come back home. After I don't come back, so even boyfriend they give me on a husband, I don't reject them. I say, it better me come my papa house. They tell me, say, we don't vex for you. I say, yes, I'm ready to take all the punishment. Now so, my papa open me door. Now so, he say he go knock my belly, my nyash, 20 flock. And also, I will spend 3 days no food. And they will pray and deliver me. Now so they pray. Fasting, 3 days fasting. Fasting and prayer, they come command me for the witchcraft where they be put me for ADF. Now so my eye come clear. I say, Papa, I will confess. Yes, if you want to confess now in public, I say yes, I'm ready. I will confess. To be totally free, I get to confess. Now so I first ride, I go live. Boom, bomb. When I rise, I go live. All of them go my inbox. Oh, our female general, you are back. We are happy. Oh, we love, we trust you. Deal with them. They don't say they come to deal with them. Oh, hey, they don't say my father don't deliver me. Now me. All the AJ people, they happy, they share. I don't look, they comment. I say, I come. Now so, boom, I expose. Now so they call up my boyfriend, me, call me. Everything happened. I didn't like the insult the ATF. I didn't like the tell secret. My boyfriend called me, saying that money matter. Me send me money fast. Now so he call me, he say, babe. He just call me, say he didn't like the insult A. What is the problem? What's happened? Tell me, who know you? Now, so I tell him, say, hey, no, who is your baby? Get out of my phone. He said, no, baby, it's me, oh. I love you. You know, say I love you too much. You know, say I want to marry you. I don't tell you, say I want to go see your parents for bride price. Why you do like that? No. You get to, he said, baby, you are hurting my feeling. You are hurting my feeling. I said, which feeling, Papa? Did I tell you, say I joined this revolution to get married? Did I tell you, say, I joined this ambassador revolution to get married? Which feeling where at the rot? I know they talk again when they laugh at the vex. And they talk something the vex when they laugh. Why when they laugh? Why? At the vex, now come. I talk something the vex when they laugh. When they laugh with it. When they talk something the vex, when they laugh with it. When they laugh with it, when they talk something the vex. Tell me, say, I go meet my people for bride price. Say, okay, he ready to send people today. Man, stop what you do. Say, you want to go see my people today to marry me. Say, man, don't talk again. I then say, you want to go marry me? See, I say, wait, me I remain inside La République. He tell me, say, babe, why the vex? So what happened? Who annoy you? Who in the fight with? Why? I then say, my friend, I go talk everything. Which I know, I go talk am. ADF is La République. He said, babe, cool down. What happened? Who annoy you? You fight with who? No talk anything. No go live again. Cool down. I will send you something. I will send you some money. Just go do shopping. Buy what you want. Eat. Relax. Drink. Buy whiskey or wine. Drink. Relax. We talk about it. If na marriage, I will send my people. May I go meet your people this week. I tell them, say, Papa, you want to go meet my people this week? See, may I drink wine? I didn't say I drink wine. I tell you, say I fine, Mr. Man. Now so, he talk say, he say, babe. Now say to call me babe. You know say I love you so much. You know say I don't leave my girlfriend because of you. You are my wife. So you get to cool down when they talk to you as a husband. You get to respect your husband. I say, Papa, respect husband. So wait till husband they talk. I tell you, say, me, she don't quiet. Me don't talk again. I say, ha. So you be my husband. My family don't know you. Husband for Facebook or for ABC or ADF. Which kind of husband you be, sef? He said, babe, no make me vex. If I talk to you in a year, you get to respect your husband. When your husband tell you something, you get to listen. Huh? You know say na me want marry you, so na me be the husband. I say, hey. I say, so you want me my family na which day? He tell me say this week. But she don't quite. Me I not talk again. I come look like this. You know say me self, I'm a married woman. I'm not legally married, but I live with man pikin for house. Now so I come there and say, so you want to send my family, your family go see my family this week? He tell me say yes. I said, may I just send you the list one time now? Because I already get the list. May I send you the list one time? May you call, may you buy the list? May you send me money? May I send to them? May they buy the thing? He tell me say no problem. But may I promise and say may I not go live again? I tell him say, but I say babe, he say yes. I say, so you be love me now because say I did inside ADF. And you be love me that because say, may I shut up, may I not talk evil way ADF they do. Abi, it not be like that now because say when you did somewhere, you get to keep secret. And you know, I know say he is a strong member. This witchcraft boy they call me. Am I your mate? Idiot. Don't call me again and they talk something very important. They tell me say you want to call me. My people, I beg. He write me for my inbox. He tell me say me I no come write talk about story. I never even know say I no block am. I don't already block am now. When I saw it for disturbance, he tell me say me I no bring our story for public. If he even try, I will put the picture. That is me. Yes. If he try, I will put the picture. All our conversation I will put them. But I know do am because I dey pity him. So if he come, if you want me go talk say I dey lie, if he talk say I dey lie, I will put all his picture for Facebook. I talk so. So now, he come tell me say, no be condition say he love me or no, he no be love me, but when we dey somewhere, we get to keep secret. I said, so me, may I keep deceiving Ambazonia, say ADF they fight for Ambazonia, why ADF is collaborating with La République? He said, no, they are not really collaborating. ADF is using La République, is using La République to get materials. I said, it doesn't make sense, babe. You know, reason I'm not. How can ADF be using La République to get materials? Which you yourself, you see, say when they want to do video, La République they borrow them materials. And when immediately they finish doing video, and before they go borrow the material, they remove all the granite inside the material, so they don't even do coup d'etat. So now, how are they using La République? Because now La République they use them. He tell me say no. You for ask me, may I explain to you? I say okay. Now so they ask. So how they be? Because when La République want borrow them materials, they don't fit shoot one guns. Let them do the video shoot at least one guns for her. They don't fit shoot. Because La République will give them materials for mission. They will remove all the guns. And when they go attack other fighters, La République will go with them. So you will see like 2 ADF, the rest na B. Now so he tell me say he want explain something to me. I know say the whole very big position for ADF. So anything you tell me, I get to understand. And then it's okay. And then it's because me, I already made up my mind. I just want him to disgrace himself and tell me more things. That's why tell me say, you know what? The problem I say wait, we want me they trust me. We want to build confidence. When they start trusting us, Now we go deal with them. I say, really? So they want La République to trust them. That is why they are killing our refight restoration forces. That is why La République, they send them to go kill the real restoration forces. They are going. That is why they are killing real restoration forces. He said, no, life is sacrifice. You get to kill real restoration forces for La République to trust you. I said, okay. So why would I not kill birds? Those small children will kill our generals. He said, no, we need to do that so that our people will trust us. I tell him, say, number one, we don't kill our finest. We don't kill our finest. Those boys that was doing economic sabotage when they burn those things. Kaka. May I drink water because Tori too plenty. Kaka, please, I want water to drink. Warm water. I want warm water to drink. Kaka! I bet me I call this my son, eh? Kaka! I will shout your name and you are here. I will slap you. Give me hot water to drink, my friend. Take. Let me shout your name again 2 times. So, I beg I'll drink water so that I'll get power because Tori day. She don't take una popcorn because I never explained this story for anybody before. Now, so he tell me say, you know, for people to trust you, you get to work for them first. When they start trusting you now, they lose guard. You will deal with them. I said, but at this time, particular time, we not kill the real restoration force. He said, yes, we must do that for them to trust us. I tell them, say, my dear, me, as you see me so, I no fit take am anymore. I no fit she don't say I will fight against La République. And I will dey somewhere where they say they are with La République to gain trust. We trust una wan gain. Una buy AK, maybe bombard La République, make they come out with land. We don't get to gain any trust for them. He said, no. You know, say, you are just using emotion. You are too emotional. And war is not emotion. War is strategy. Now then, get strategy pass. So strategy, no more strategy. They tell me say war na strategy. I tell me say okay, tell me more about the strategy. He tell me say he go call me back. He get meeting with sick, so he go call me back. Now so, may I play one audio if I no, you now know his voice. It's okay. One audio say, babe, no do like that. I don't talk to you. I don't talk to you. Keep quiet. I don't think say me relax when I go to Second Life. So they send that audio the vex. So now, he tell me say get meeting with the sick because I don't think that meeting was because of me. Because say I don't tell him say lie. I don't fit take him anymore. I never joined this revolution to go again and work with La République to get strategy for La République because La République don't get no strategy to show us. I joined this revolution maybe bombard La République, take them out of our territory. They tell me say I've been too emotional. Yes, I am emotional because I don't get a country again. I don't know what it takes. I don't know what it takes to stand against your people until today. I don't talk to my mother. I don't talk to my sister. None of my family. They don't all vomit me. I don't know what it takes to stand against all your relatives to stand for justice. I don't know what it takes to be hate by all your family members and your brothers and sisters when you grow because you stand for justice. So somebody will tell me that I should not be emotional. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Those people that they die back home, you not think say na play? You not think say we dey come na this revolution say we dey come na for play? I am emotional because say I have lost a lot. I have no other hope na Ambazonia. I have no other hope than Ambazonia. Ambazonia is the only country where I get, and the only family where I get now. So some people don't say why they never arrest the family, because all my family members don't vomit me. None of them. They don't change their number. I don't even get them. They say they don't get anything to do with terrorists. I was having a shop here in Morocco where my customers were francophones. All of them, they monte coup for my shop to close. Do you people know what it takes to stand against your people for justice? The difference between me and the black lady is that I stand for justice. I didn't do that because of Ambazonia give me anything. I did that because I know that Ambazonia was fighting for the right thing. I know that Ambazonia was fighting for total justice. And as a citizen, a child of God, I get to stand for justice. That is it. So I didn't look where I was coming from. I didn't care about what I was going to lose. All I wanted that particular day as decided to stand against my people was justice for the suffering people from Ambazonia. Those people I saw mop on the floor, sent to prison because they asked for justice, because they are asking for something they can, for their right. All I could do that day was to stand with them. I didn't want to see what I was going to lose. I didn't want to lose the consequences. I didn't want to even know what will happen to my family. I didn't want to know. All I wanted at that particular time for justice for those people that was treated like dogs, like animals in their own country. All I wanted that particular day when I saw the video with tears in my eyes, I was still having my baby in my hand. I just born 1 month, and I was on Facebook just passing, and I saw the video. I was like, what is this? What is this? I was like, what did they do? I said, reading comment, I see that they said, people was writing, oui, on va traiter moi les gens là, ils dérangent trop. I was like, I have to make some calls. I tell them, but I saw a video on Facebook, and they are mourning my brothers. The English part, in the mood. What is the problem? They say, il dérange, il réclame le fédéralisme. Fédéralisme de quoi? I was like, so it's because they're asking for federation. And that's why they are being treated like this. I could not keep quiet. I could not shut up. And I will never shut up when there's injustice. I will never shut up when there's anything that will take and worry this revolution. I will never be there. No, in my name. Shall you work with La République and expect me to shut up? No, in my name. Shall you go and associate yourself with La République and expect me to shut up? No, in my name. I shall expose you. God knows why he sent me in this revolution. It doesn't matter whether you call me Bamileke. It doesn't matter whether you call me Francophone. What matters is that I am standing for justice. What matters is that I am standing with Ambazonia, and I believe solely that Ambazonia is a free land. What matters is that I recognize our Excellency Dr. Sako as a legitimate president of Ambazonia. What matters is that I will put all what it takes to make sure Ambazonia is free. What matters is what I believe and I stand for. Yes. So if you are in this platform and you never understand, say we are together, you get to support your female general. You get to tell La République, say, even a Francophone, we love him. Even now she what, we love him. It's our own. Epom talk say I was compromised. Where is it today? I people to believe is joke, but not true. We get to understand. If you as an Ambazonia, you know, fee, go pay your citizen level. Why are you an Ambazonia? If you as an Ambazonia, you never draft yourself, how do you call yourself an Ambazonia? If you as an Ambazonia, you don't belong to ABC Club, how do you expect the TV to work out fine? If you as an Ambazonia never take care of one refugee, how do you call yourself an Ambazonia and be proud? History will remember me for standing for justice, for standing for Ambazonia revolution. What will history remember you for? You could not talk for your people. You could not even contribute to help your people. And you are saying you are in the diaspora, drinking wine, celebrating when your people are suffering. When La Republique fools are saying that may they kill all them, and you are relaxing, celebrating birthday. You are relaxing, showing big cars. It's not a show off. What you will leave behind you is what you do for your people. What you will leave behind you is what you are going to do now to stand and support your people, because they need us in the diaspora. They are nobody without the diaspora. Their power is the diaspora. The difference between us and La Republique is that we care for our own, one for all and all for one. We are not like La fools when they believe on all their stomach. Our culture teach us. See, if I get one, I will give my brother half. Get one, give half. If I get one bag of rice, I will tell him I want to take this bag of rice. Share for neighbor. one cup. That's hard. We were bought up. I grow in Bamenda. In Upstation. That's where I grow. That is how our culture tells us. When I arrived in Bamenda, when I take my sister to Bamenda, I didn't even know how to say a word in English. But my neighbor, the way they treat us, we were not like strangers. When they cook, we come and eat to their house. They will come. We were like a family. And today, my family have been killed. I even expected to keep quiet because I was born in some useless village in La Republique. Because I was born, not even the village. I was not born in my village. I was born in Douala. Some useless city they call Douala. Because I was born in some witchcraft city. They will kill my family when they welcome me in Bamenda. And she don't quiet because I was born in some useless place where they're supposed to even ban in the world, where they call Douala. No, my people, I will not do such a thing. I will stand with my family because my family is Ambazonia. I will stand with my country because my country is Ambazonia. I will stand with my people because my people are Ambazonians. We will stay together, all for one and one for all. If you are listening to the female general and you never draft yourself, my sister, sit down and think of people that die every day in Ambazonia and ask yourself, what have I done so far? Think of Mama Happy that was born to ashes. Think of those that we brought away, they burned them with the bike just because they don't carry Amba boy. Think of our people sleeping in the bush, giving birth in the bush. Think of our sisters that in Nigeria they have to break stone to get what to eat. Think of those restoration forces that sleep in the bush 5 days without sleeping. What do they eat actually in the bush? How do they survive in the bush? Ask yourself those questions. Stop celebrating birthday party. Stop going to McDonald's. Invest in the revolution and let us go to Boya. Yes, it's only together that we can do it. Yes, we will do it together. than 3 years. Una dey see action on ground zero. Una dey see am. Una dey see the power of war draft. Are we going to sit down quiet when all the money finish, no money again? Our fighter will not get what to defend themselves, and they will kill all of them. Are we going to sit down quiet and say that they are thin, or are we going to put more action? Are we going to put our hand in our pocket and support those brave heroes or grand zero, and support those restoration forces to put La République dans la sauce, to pack La République come off our land? And not say we all get conscience, and not say we will sleep and think and rethink. Yes, I have been quiet, but no anymore. Yes, I will do something for refugee. Yes, where can I locate my LGA? How can I pay my citizen living? Now $20, I think, for citizen living. So if you just put, say, okay, every month I will put $100 one side for revolution, you will die. How much do you send to buy those expensive bags? How much do you spend to buy all those McDonald's and all those rubbish when they go buy them? We're in a fat and you're give sickness. If you sacrifice $100 every month for the revolution, for your people back home, what do you lose? So fellow Ambazonians, I will leave una now. I don't talk plenty. We will continue the story for another time. I don't like the video to be too long. So please. Okay. No, I can't call you after the show. I don't talk with people after the show. I'm sorry. So, fellow Ambazonian, I just come to motivate all una, to tell una, say please, we can do it together. Please, no be waiting. Now we all waiting. I will come next week. I'm very sorry I'm not too active these days because I'm very busy now. You know the easy. You know the easy. You know the really easy. But we will still fight down for the revolution because the revolution now is life. So I want to appreciate, before I go, I want to appreciate, let me call names. I want to appreciate all my followers in the platform. I want to appreciate Nicole for the wonderful job that she do. She say, I know if you see my female general for ABC for fundraising, I know do anything. Thank you so much, Nicole. I appreciate you. May the God of Ambazonia continue to bless you. I want to appreciate Papa Emma, where he give $200 for BFAO project. Papa Emma, your cafe day up. God bless your heart. May God provide, keep providing from where it's coming from. I want to appreciate my sister Lucy. I'll call you only one name so they will know themselves. I want to appreciate Sister Lucy. Where we talk to female general, I don't get plenty, but I'm giving $25. Sister Lucy, thank you very much. I want to appreciate my brother John Paul. When he talks to female general, no worry, I am not around, but when I come, I will surely do something. You don't already give more than $200 because anytime we go live, he come contribute. So this time around, I don't see him. I get to contact him to say what happened. He tell me say he go for another city to go work. So I want to appreciate him. I want to appreciate Sister Janet. Sister Janet, the warrior. Hey, that was sister. The same say. I said this is my sister. Say, Sister Janet. Your cafe day up. I want to appreciate you. Thank you so much. You give $100. You say you are not prepared that you are going to give more. So we appreciate this one too much. So God bless you so much. I want to appreciate Patience donated and the donation was cancelled, so she had to see what was the problem and donate again. We appreciate you, Patience, for at least the reading. So we are going to give Una all the detail, and we want to appreciate Amazon and say Una they really do girl. Until now we don't already get in more than 7,000, and it's only because una dey trust us. So I will keep tell all my followers say abeg, even at $5 you fit donate for a big firewood project and you send your receipt for Female General. You get the cash app detail on my platform. Una no worry, the cash app dey una for my hand. So all the money wey dey come in, I dey see am, so dem no fit take play. So I love una plenty, and when there's anything, I will come on live. Una see me say I no dey talk my behind. If something no dey right, I will bring for una, because na una be my family. Na una be my family. So if anything dey go wrong, I dey come. So una get assured say I will not stay where there's no justice, or I will not stay where there's no accountability and stay quiet. We shall bring una accountability. We shall bring una wetin we say we go do. As far as the Female General dey concerned, nobody go play with Big Firewood project. As far as the Female General is concerned, nobody go touch Big Firewood money. Otherwise, una go know say na me be the Female General. So I love una plenty. Please join your LGA and drive yourself. Our people back home, una go for church, una pray for we revolution, una pray for we mama, una pray for we in the diaspora. May the God bless una. Long live the diaspora of Ambazonia. Long live our Excellency Dr. Sako Ikome. Long live ABC team. Long live all the activists in Ambazonia revolution, and short live enablers, short live Black Leg, short live la République Colique, short live la République terroriste in Ambazonia, and short live the revolution. Bye.